Okay, so we may have went down a road and now we're stuck in mud. We're stuck in mud.
Yep, we're definitely stuck.
Yeah, we tried like 3 times and we're still not out of the mud. I told him he should call the Hulk. And yet he hasn't called the Hulk. Just call the Hulk. Look at that. He dug a giant hole to try to get that front wheel out. Hopefully we don't have to call the Hulk. Right, Dad? Okay. Now he's using a stick like a crowbar.
No, I'm trying to put it under there for traction.
I'm freezing cold because the window's open. Look at it, Perchy. It's our dog Perch. And the funny thing is, we live on Perch Road. And his name is Perch. Perch, can you tell me something? Can you tell me, would you ever do this? He said no. He said no, he would never do this. Want to know why he would never do this? Because he doesn't go down random mud roads. You're a good boy. You know that, right? Except for jumping into the water while we were trying to set beaver traps. He's on the other side trying to get the wheel out. I told him don't go down the road. Don't go down the road, but he went down the road. This is why you listen to the chat. Okay? Always listen to your children. I'm just gonna sit up. Nice Fortnite pillow. And I mean, all we can hope for is he can get us out of the mud that he got us stuck in. Oh geez.
Yeah, close the windows.
Are you ready, guys?
I don't know if we're gonna get this out.
Don't say that. Don't jinx us, okay?
I'm not doing anything.
You jinxed us. This is why you don't go down the roads. Oh my gosh, look at the window.
Oh, it's just sinking.
Perch, what are we going to do? This is why you don't go down those roads. We might not be able to set any other traps today. What are we going to do if we can't get out? Do we call 911 or something?
No, we'd have to call a tow truck. If a tow truck would get down here.
I'm telling you, listen to the if you are watching and you are a parent, listen to your children, unless they ask you for like video games and stuff. But if they tell you don't go down a dirt muddy road, you listen to them and say, okay, I won't go down. Cause this is what happens. You get stuck in the mud, you'll have to call the Incredible Hulk or a tow truck. I would just call the Hulk. Can we just like call the Hulk? Put hashtag Hulk if you want us to call the Hulk in the comments. Like and subscribe and we can get out. Like and subscribe right now. Dad.
What?
I told him to like and subscribe so that we can get out of the mud.
Oh, okay.
Do you think that will work?
I don't know. I think we're about to be screwed.
Oh. This was the stupidest idea we could have ever thought of on this channel. I'm telling you, this is why you listen to your kids. When you say, don't go down the dirt road, you don't go down the dirt road. I'll update you guys in a second. Okay guys, it's been like 5 minutes. My dad's still outside trying to get sticks under the wheels. I want to go to bed. But the thing is all I have is my seat, a muddy window, another muddy window, perch, and a water that's almost empty, and cookies and candy. And my tablet, which I can't really do anything on except text my friends. But what is that gonna do? I'm gonna literally text everyone right now. I'm gonna text my group called BFF on Messenger saying, my dad got us stuck in the mud because he decided to go down a dirt road because we're trying to set traps, trying to create some YouTube videos, and he got us stuck in mud. So now we're stuck in the mud, and we might have to call it the Incredible Hulk. There we go. Now I sent it to my BFF group, and hopefully they text back and say, are you okay? And I'll say no, because we're stuck in the mud, and we've been here for like 30 minutes. It's literally been like 30 minutes, I feel like. Because before I even started recording, we were stuck in the mud for like 10 minutes already, so it's probably been like about 30 minutes. We'll check on it. How is it going?
Terrible. We're about to be stuck.
This is why. Are we gonna be able to set traps or no?
At this rate, no. We're gonna be waiting for somebody to pull us out.
So basically, all what you're saying is we might not be able to set more traps.
Yes. That's very likely. Because this is just bottomless mud.
Dad, it's been like 30 minutes. You know that, right?
I'm sure it has.
It has been 30 minutes because I've been recording for like.
This front tire just keeps sinking.
Because before I started recording, it's been like 10 minutes. And then when I started recording, I recorded for like another 10 minutes. And I've been recording for 3 minutes now. So it's been like at least 30 minutes.
This front tire is just in quicksand.
It's basically quicksand, except you don't keep sinking.
Oh no, it keeps sinking. It's about to bottom out. We're about to have the truck framed out. Then we're definitely not doing anything. You might have to buy a new truck, Dad. And I don't think you'll want to buy a new truck. Look at puddles everywhere, trees everywhere, road over there, and then a dirty tire, my dog in the front seat. We are stuck in this. No one has texted me in like an hour, and I'm very bored, and we could get the truck stuck forever, have to leave the truck, probably have to walk to a hotel, stay there, had to buy a new truck, pay for the truck to get out of the mud. Why did I ever agree to this? Comment down below if you know why I agreed to this. Because we're stuck in the dumb mud. We're literally stuck. Like, there's no way we're getting out. Unless we have the Incredible Hulk come. He's bored and he's sad. Because we might have to sleep. Actually, if we slept here, wouldn't we get stuck more? No. We would literally have to leave the truck behind, probably have to get someone to drive us, but there's no taxis because we're in the middle of the country. 3 hours away from home, so we can't even walk home unless we get some sort of taxi, but we're not in the big city. Sorry. I'm just bored. Wait a minute. My mom texted. Call me when you are able. My mom's having a girl trip. Call me when you are able. The girls said.
I'm back, Perch.
Okay. Cross your fingers. Everyone, like and subscribe and cross your fingers. What do you mean we're bottomed out?
Ain't going nowhere. We're not even moving.
I'm packing my stuff in my backpack, so I'm ready to go and walk. I would rather walk 3 hours home than be here all night. Are we gonna die here?
No, but we're gonna go walk out to the road. Bring a sweatshirt. We might be standing there for a while.
What are we gonna do by the road?
Find out what the road is we turned down. To tell them where to meet us.
Then we come back and then, yeah.
Something, yeah.
We come back and
Get
then...
winched out and yeah.
I'm bringing water with me.
Good idea.
Okay, guys. We're going on a trip because he decided to do something that got us stuck in mud. How happy. Let's go, guys. Oh my God, what the heck did you do? I barely had to step down.
I told you.
Guys,
Down to the frame.
this was way taller than before. Look at it.
It's sinking even more, probably. It's gonna keep sinking. That stuff's like quick-sided.
Is it gonna sink to the top or is it not gonna sink that much?
Hopefully we don't rip the bumper off before this is over with.
What happens if we rip the bumper off?
You need a new bumper?
Perch?
No, Perch.
We're on a trip to find the main road and call it a tow truck because you turned down a road to try to set traps, but that didn't work. So we're literally walking. Like I told the viewers multiple times, this is why you don't turn down dirt roads. Well, you don't know, because it's been raining for who knows how long.
Part of the adventure.
I don't like this adventure.
Mommy.
Oh, hold on. Hello? Hi, we're stuck in mud. We're gonna walk to the road and we're gonna call a tow truck and tell him, like, it's stuck. Cause Daddy decided to turn down a dirt road.
We're on a logging road.
Other than getting stuck in the mud for 30 minutes.
Yeah, we're gonna chew up a lot of the day.
Yeah, Purchase walking with us because we don't want to leave him in the
We're
truck.
lucky, maybe we'll catch a truck coming by and we can get done with it.
How are we gonna catch a
That
truck?
one that's probably going by right now.
No, that's on the road. Oh, we're not that far from the road.
No.
Okay then. I was born in the truck. We'll update you guys when hopefully we get to the road. Okay, so we made it to the road. Yeah. We're at least looking for some trucks to pass by to maybe help us. But my dad's trying to get a hold of a tow truck. Birch is just whining. And I'm just sitting here. It's cold. He's whining and it's getting annoying. And he's just staring at his phone trying to get a hold of a tow truck. And I'm just watching for a giant truck and I'm going to yell, "Stop!" We'll see you guys in a little bit.